Based on the secret information, 100 carton and 100 sacks of intoxicating cough syrup was recovered from Ulukandi, Hamidpur area of India-Bangladesh border early on Sunday morning. 100 carton and 100 sacks contain of 12,700 bottle Phensedyl. Assam Karimganj Police arrested the dealer named Moin Uddin in the incident. On Sunday, based on the tip of Assam Karimganj Police raided Hamidpur area of Ulukandi on the India-Bangladesh border in Kakbhor at Moin Uddin house as they received a secret information that numbers of Phensedyl was stocked in his rented house. During the search, 100 carton and 100 sacks of intoxicating cough syrup was recovered. 100 carton and 100 sacks contain of 12,700 bottle Phensedyl. Assam Karimganj Police arrested the dealer Moin Uddin in the incident. The market value of the seized Phensedyl will be more than 1 crore rupees, said investigating police officer Nishikanto Das. Police have taken up the case under the NDPS section against the arrested person and started investigation. Currently, the arrested person with drug paraphernalia is in the custody of Karimganj Police Station. Bureau Report, Chini Khorang.